Our AWC Grief Education Hub has just recently launched, which we're really excited about. There's a ton of content in there, all on grief-related topics. So everything from how do you talk to a child about cancer, how do you prepare kids for funerals, but one of the biggest topics that's woven through a lot of the 35 webinars that are in there is really about how do you support somebody, even adult to adult, who is grieving. It's one of the questions I get asked the most in my professional and my personal life. I find so many people are so worried about saying the wrong thing that they just don't show up at all when someone's grieving, or they're just really quiet. And I can reflect back on many times that I did that in my life as well. And what I've come to learn as a grief therapist and in my career as an oncology nurse as well is that one of the hardest things for people who are grieving is when people don't show up, or when people don't talk about their person who is ill or who has died. And so throughout a lot of the webinars in the hub, you'll find concrete strategies for how to show up, support somebody, whether they're a child or whether they're 84 years old, who's grieving, and really reinforcing too, because I find a common myth is that, oh, if I talk about the person who died, I'm going to make them sad. And in fact, you're not going to make anyone who's grieving more sad by talking about the situation or talking about the person who died. The saddest thing for many people is when nobody's talking or acknowledging their loss. So there's a lot of strategies on specifically how to show up for somebody who's grieving, and also strategies for how to show up for yourself when you're grieving as well in our Education Hub. For more information or to check out some more of the content, head on over to our website, www.awcgrief.com.